Welcome to episode 3 of season 4. In the last episode, we talked about why some nutritional professionals remain invisible online. And one of the major reasons is weak positioning signals. And today we're going to go into a practical setting. That's why I labeled it a practical workshop. We're going to rewrite a nutrition bio. I'm also going to share my own bio like I did in the last episode. And we're going to look at how to strategically do that and understand what makes a bio clear, memorable, and authoritative. My name is Charity Wanyonyi, and I'm a digital content strategist. So, why does your bio matter? Your bio is often the first positioning signal people see. So before someone reads your post, before they understand your expertise, they read your bio. That's why even on LinkedIn, it's your name and then your bio below it. Yes. And in seconds, they try to answer three of these questions. Who is this person? Who do they help? Why should I trust them? So if your bio is unclear or you don't have a bio at all, your positioning becomes unclear. So we're going to look at the common bio mistakes me and you are making. So many professionals write bios that list roles instead of the impact or what they want to do online. So for example, look at this bio. So let's say Charity Wanyonyi, certified nutritionist, health advocate, speaker, wellness enthusiast. Yes. So tell me, what is it missing? You can see on the screen, it doesn't have a target audience. It doesn't state a specific problem that you're going to solve. There's no clear expertise angle, and this outcome or transformational is not there. So this bio describes the role this person is doing, not the current positioning of what the impact of the person wants to make online. Yes. So if you go to, I'm going to give you these steps on how to write a good bio. So one, we're going to define my audience or your audience. So before rewriting your bio, because I know most of you have it, so we're going to identify who you serve primarily or who is your niche audience, their main pain point or challenges, the outcome they want. Because of course when we log in online, there's something we want to learn, there's our pain point that we want to look at, and if person can really help me with the outcome, I'm going to follow or engage with their content. So for example, women managing PCOS, busy corporate professionals, individual managing diabetes, athlete focused on performance. So when your audience is clear, your messaging becomes stronger. So this is the foundation of what I talked about in the last episode and the continuation of this particular episode. So just to look at defining the transformational. So what changes because of your work? Like if I read your content, what is it going to make me feel, or what is it going to change in my life? So for example, is it improving metabolic health? So managing insulin resistance sustainably, improving metabolic health, supporting healthy weight management, building authority for nutrition professionals. So either here on LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you want to do. So transformation attracts the attention. So if I have insulin resistance and I see you talking about how I'm going to manage my insulin resistance to turn into insulin sensitivity, how I'm going to improve my overall metabolic health, supporting my healthy weight because it's a trend right now, yeah, building authority, especially on LinkedIn because we are all professionals in our own. So if someone is able to help you move forward, of course, it's going to capture your attention and you're going to watch their content. So we're going to look at an example of rewriting. So I'm going to use my own example from the last episode. So this is what I had: certified nutritionist, founder, whatever you guys already know that. So this is accurate. This is what I do. These are my role. It's very descriptive, but it doesn't really answer what I help you guys with. So when you come across it, like I'm also certified nutritionist, you scroll. Yeah. So I went and tweaked my bio to read this, helping nutrition professionals build authority online, digital positioning. I'm also a certified nutritionist. So there's clear my audience is nutrition professionals. So anyone who is interested in it. My authority, my clear outcome is authority digital positioning. You're here watching my content because you want to start your digital content creation journey. So and the rest is just define strategic identity. Like if you follow me, I'm a nutritionist. I'm good in the nutrition field. I have been really working hard to improve on my content creation skills. I'm also the founder of the diabetic desk if you want anything so clarity replaces ambiguity. So when I come across this, I know this one is talking about digital positioning. I want to position myself digitally. So I will follow and watch this content. So a simple bio framework will look like this. So line one, who you help or the outcome, credential or expertise, your brand, organization or platform. Because I know most of you here are starting your own businesses, you have your own platform and all that. So for example, of a bio that I would have loved if I was really passionate about PCOS. So it'd be helping women manage PCOS naturally. I'm a registered nutritionist, metabolic health educator, founder PCOS nutrition clinic, like I did in the bio. But oh guys, this is such a good, if you're good at PCOS, this can be your bio. I'm giving it to you guys for free. Yeah. So a quick bio audit. So ask yourself, does my bio clearly state who I serve? If no, then re-audit it. Does it communicate transformation? Would a stranger understand my focus instantly? If not, please refine it. You can reach me out on Charity Event Digital to help you come up with a bio if you want. Or if you want me to come talk about bio in your workshops, in your various webinars, I'm open. Your bio is your digital handshake. Like when I meet you, I know this is Charity Wanyonyi and this is what they do. So as we finish, I'm going to leave you with this quote: clarity builds authority. Remember that. So the next episode, wow, we're going to talk about authority versus popularity because we've seen a lot of viral videos. So what actually builds credibility online? So reach me out on Charity Event Digital. This is my number, this is my email address, and we'll see each other in the next